Welcome to the Harrier, sir.
Thanks.
Sidhu.
Paji, Sat Sri Akal. Pleasure to have like experts like you guide us.
Thank you, sir.
So you're part of a national rally or something? You've done that or
Off-road.
off-road? Okay.
More into off-road stuff.
So this track was designed by you or like?
Yes, our course master Yogesh.
Okay.
You met him inside.
Okay. Now we are in which mode?
We
You
are
put
in
it.
rock crawl mode.
Okay. And drive mode we can go to go.
Yes.
Parking brake is disengaged.
Yeah.
Good to go.
Yeah. We go left,
Okay.
and then we come around onto the rock. So this has 6 drive modes. Sir.
Yeah.
City,
Terrain response modes.
yeah, the terrain response modes. So we are currently in rock crawl.
Turn around.
Yeah, turn around.
సో మనం ఇప్పుడు ఆఫ్ రోడ్ ట్రాక్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చేయబోతున్నాం అనమాట. చాలా ఛాలెంజింగ్ ఇన్క్లైన్స్ ఇవన్నీ ఉన్నాయి, మీరు చూస్తున్నారు అక్కడ. ఇదంతా కూడా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చేయబోతున్నాం. ఫస్ట్ రాక్ క్రాల్తో నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము సార్. యా,
We'll turn on the off-road assist.
ఓకే
This button goes green.
ఓకే
You can set the speed if you the last button on your right.
ఓకే.
Just
దిస్ వన్,
yeah.
దిస్ వన్,
Yeah,
దిస్ ఇస్ ఓకే.
so the cruise control button.
Cruise
Now,
control, yeah.
See, the speed is set to 6 kilometers an hour.
Okay.
That's the lowest speed that the car can do in off-road.
ఓకే
So if you take your foot off the brake, sir,
ఓకే.
no throttle required.
అచ్చా, ఇట్ విల్ గో
The car
ఆటోమేటిక్లీ.
will maintain 6 kilometers an hour.
ఓకే. అండ్ ఇట్ విల్ గ్లైడ్ ఓవర్ ఇట్.
Yeah.
సో ఐ డోంట్ నీడ్ టు పుట్ ఎనీ థ్రాటిల్
No.
ఫర్ షూర్.
Yeah.
సో చూడండి, మనకి అసలు థ్రాటిల్ ఏమీ యూజ్ చేయట్లేదు. కార్ ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఈ రాక్ బెడ్ పై నుంచి క్రాల్ చేసి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. మనకి 3D వ్యూలో క్లియర్గా కనిపిస్తుంది. బ్యూటిఫుల్ అనమాట, ఎఫర్ట్లెస్గా వెళ్ళిపోయింది. సో సార్ కరెక్ట్ గైడ్ చేస్తున్నట్టుగా మనకి.
So this is the transparent.
హౌ డి యూ గెట్ ద ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్ వ్యూ?
We have to go into
3D and then
there's an option here for SBS convenience settings.
ఓకే,
We have to turn this.
ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్ వ్యూ. ఓకే ఓకే.
With this, we get the transparent all around view.
Okay.
But now we'll go back to 2D view because we are
Okay.
doing the axle twisters.
ఓకే,
So we need to see where
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ. యా. సో is it correctly aligned?
Yes, sir. It's currently aligned. So with the axle
And
twisters,
do I need throttle?
a little bit of throttle because here we need the traction control
Yeah.
to kick in.
Yeah.
When the wheel goes up in the air, so we will need that because we've turned off now. We still have the off-road mode on.
Okay. Okay.
We'll go left.
Okay. Left and
We'll go
into that, under that. Okay.
So we still have the off-road assist on. You
Okay.
can just take your foot off the throttle.
Okay. Is it correctly aligned now?
Yes.
I think now it's properly aligned.
A little bit to the left probably. While we are climbing up, we can just go a little left. Yeah. Again, no throttle inputs required.
Okay, it'll
From your
climb.
end. Enough. Okay, yeah, straight down, turn left,
Turn left. Okay.
and we'll turn around and try that incline. Around, sir. U-turn.
Around. U-turn. Sorry about that. Quite sharp braking, huh?
Go back.
Let me make the turn.
Very clear.
Okay. Quite good turning radius. Now we have to do this one.
We'll do this incline. A little to the left.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect. Now straight.
Okay. Now shall I leave it? Shall I give a little bit of throttle?
This is off, so yeah, now you can leave it. Enough. Okay, I'll just turn it off and I'll go to sand mode now.
Okay.
Just wait for these guys to clear.
Okay.
Then you can just stop here.
Slowly. Left doors are not fully closed. Karma 12.
You just wait for them to climb, then
Yeah.
you can give it some beans,
Okay.
see how it performs in the sand mode.
Excellent, sir. Okay. Now what? Do you need to go and stop there?
Yeah, that's the hill hold.
Okay.
So if we are going uphill and you suddenly have to stop,
Okay.
you can just hit the brakes and the vehicle will stay there for 3 seconds. So yes sir, this is in sand mode now. If you would like, you can give it some throttle. We'll just stop there. Let's reverse a little bit. I don't
Okay.
want it to be too
Too close. Okay.
So while we are going up, we will get maximum torque available to us. We'll get a good grip, but the throttle will feel a little slow to you.
Okay.
So while you are pressing down, while you are going up, please just don't floor it.
You don't floor it?
Don't floor it.
Okay.
Because then suddenly once we get to the top, it will go faster.
Acha, acha.
So it has to be just gentle on the throttle. When you feel this is and the vehicle is not moving, then we'll probably give it a little more. So okay, throttle, off the throttle, brakes. Yeah, perfect, sir. Now a little bit right. Okay.
Hill hold is not working?
Yeah, now it should work. Auto hold, we have the auto hold. Yeah, move forward. Okay. On the brakes. Go straight, go straight, go straight, go straight, go straight. Straight, straight. On the brakes. You have your foot on the brake.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll turn off the auto hold.
Yeah.
Okay, now we'll just go down on the brakes.
Yeah. Oh, this is really, really scary. Something that we remind ourselves of another off-road activity that I did recently. Oh, very steep angle. And it's all done like a piece of cake, done by Harrier. Exceptionally good. Exceptionally good.
We can use the off-road assist on this one as well.
Okay.
If you just touch the button once, the plus minus, the rightmost. This one. This one, just one. Yeah. So 6 kilometers. Now you can take your foot off the brake.
Okay.
Gentle tap on the throttle just to get it started. You can take your foot off the throttle.
Okay.
Yeah. Just steer. Go up.
Oh.
Go up. Go up.
Oh. Oh boy. Look at this.
Little bit to the left. Yeah. No throttle inputs when we
Yeah,
have the off-road.
Yeah, exactly. Now the
Now the
seesaw. Okay, the same thing? Or do I have to use my manual throttle?
Yeah, we'll use the manual here.
Manual throttle, so I'll get off the thing. Okay.
Yeah, that's off.
Okay. So how do you go? Just go up?
We'll go up. I'll tell you where. Once we get to the point where it's starting to
Pivot, yeah.
if you take your foot off the throttle to go to the brake,
Huh.
it will roll back.
Back, yeah.
So we'll go left, forward, reverse. So at that point of time, I just want you to back off the throttle a little bit.
And again give throttle.
No, don't give throttle again. It
Okay.
has to be at the point where you're not going forward, not going backward, just
Oh.
with the throttle alone.
Okay.
So we are not moving forward, but it doesn't allow us to roll back also. So that's just the
Throttle. Gentle bit of throttle on should be there.
Yeah,
Okay. So now we take gentle throttle or yeah.
gentle throttle. We'll go up slowly because if we go too fast,
Yeah,
it
yeah.
will tip. That's a huge crash.
Yeah.
So we'll just go gently up. Okay, easy. Keep going, sir. Keep going. Easy. Back off. Slow. No.
Okay.
That's good.
Auto hold.
Yeah. We are good.
Okay. Now auto hold shall I release or?
Yeah, you can. Now it's active. Just turn it off. We are still in mud and ruts. Yeah. So we have some actual mud and ruts.
Oh, okay, coming up. Okay.
Yeah.
That's really good. very well, designed off-road track. Exceptionally good, because without these challenging obstacles, now you can't really prove that this is one of the finest.
Right.
And it's taking everything on so effortless. అసలు అంతా కూడా ఎంత ఎఫర్ట్లెస్గా వెళ్ళిపోతుంది మీరు చూస్తున్నారు. అసలు ఇట్ గివ్స్ యూ మోర్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ అండి. నేను ఇంతవరకు ఇంత ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ ఆఫ్ రోడ్ టెరైన్ అయితే నేను ట్రై చేయలేను, కానీ ఇప్పటికీ ఇది అంటే చాసీ ఇస్ సో కేపబుల్. ద సస్పెన్షన్, ది రేర్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ సస్పెన్షన్ ఇస్ సో డామ్ గుడ్. మటన్ రట్స్ అండ్ ఇట్ గోస్ జెంట్లీ ఆర్
We'll go gently.
But don't go back.
జెంట్లీ. మనం ఇప్పుడు ఈ రట్ సిచ్యువేషన్లో వెళ్తున్నాము. ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్లీ స్లిప్పరీ, ట్రిక్కీ కండిషన్.
And we are on highway tires. So it's not like we have specialized tires.
Yeah.
We are doing this one.
Coming.
So this will be extremely slippery. We'll just go slowly so it gives us time to turn. Yeah, perfect.
Up.
Perfectly executed.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Other direction and back up.
And go from there, is it?
We'll go right
Is that a obstacle?
before the poles.
Before.
And we'll go right again. We'll
Yeah.
go up the slide.
Oh. It's like a James Bond movie. Up the stairs on an SUV.
Aligning like this. This is like.
Is the angle right? Shall I shape it up straight?
Yeah, we'll go right. So when we are
back.
climbing up, it has to be as close to the railing
back.
as
So is that we can cut
Go back.
through?
Yes.
Okay.
So this is our version of a children's park. So we have a slide, we have a seesaw.
Oh God, this one is extremely challenging.
As close to the railing as possible. Okay, keep it slow.
Yeah, yeah.
Slow. Slow. Enter. Go left. Go left. Go left. Go left. Go left. Okay, we just turn on the 360. Go left and turn on auto hold. Okay, stop. Stop. Right. Reverse. Yes. Just a little bit reverse, 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 reverse. Reverse, reverse, stop. Okay. Start turning left, sorry, right a little bit. Yeah. Go that side, go that side, go that side. Go. Go that side. Okay. Keep going. Slowly. Okay. Stop.
Acha, back.
Then we
Okay.
have to reverse.
Go back. Go back. Go back. Keep going. Straight on the wheel. No, that's too much. No, in this side.
Driver side,
This
right side, right side.
Go
Yeah.
back.
Okay.
Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Keep going. Keep going.
Yeah, we have enough
Keep going.
space, sir. Go.
This side.
Okay, turn
direction
left.
change.
Turn
In the
left.
direction of the wheel. Go
Left.
back.
Turn left.
Go
Turn
back.
left. Further left.
Okay.
Further left. Reverse. Keep reverse.
Go back.
Go left. Go
Go
left.
back.
Left.
Go back.
Yeah.
Left.
Go back. Go back.
Okay. Stop.
Keep going.
Okay. Okay. A little bit further. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. A little bit further.
Hold.
Okay. Turn right. Right.
Slightly. Slowly.
Okay.
Okay. Now.
Keep coming.
Slow.
Keep coming.
Slow.
Start turning.
Okay. Turn.
Hold. Hold. Keep
Left.
going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. Okay, go back.
Go back.
Yeah. Just a little bit.
Go back.
Little bit. Little bit. Okay. Enough. and drive.
ఫుల్ కట్.
Right. Yeah. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Full left. Full left.
Full left. On the
Keep
brake,
going.
sir.
Full left. Keep going. Full left.
ఫుల్ లెఫ్ట్. ఓకే.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Yep. Okay.
ఆటో హోల్డ్ షల్ ఐ రిలీజ్?
Back it out. Turn right and back it out.
Turn right a little bit. Yeah.
Car on stairs. Please hold. Do not drive.
Yeah. A little
Back.
reverse. Little reverse. Yeah.
Enough.
That should be enough.
ఓకే.
Yeah.
Slowly down.
On the
Full
brake.
left. Come slowly down.
Left. Left. Turn left. On the brakes. On the brakes. on
Full
the
left. Full left. Steering full
Left,
left.
left,
Yes.
yeah.
Come.
On the brakes.
Come slowly down. Come.
So okay, we'll just turn.
Come.
Auto hold is on. We'll just turn that off. So that
Okay.
it rolls.
Come slowly down.
Yeah.
స్ట్రైట్ నా?
Come.
No, no, no. Just hold.
ఓకే ఓకే
Come
ఓకే.
forward. Come forward. Come forward.
Now start
Come
turning
forward.
that side. Turn that
Come
side.
forward.
Okay. Now, yeah, almost there.
Good line.
Yes.
Good line.
Full straight. Perfect. Perfect. Sir. We'll go that side.
That's it? One more or that's
Yeah, that's the end.
థ్యాంక్ యూ ఎక్సలెంట్.
Just welcome.
అండ్ వెరీ వెల్ క్యూరేటెడ్ ట్రాక్ సార్, ఎక్సలెంట్ ట్రాక్. సో మీరు కూడా ఎంజాయ్ చేశారనుకుంటున్నాను. వీడియోని నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేసి షేర్ చేసి కామెంట్ చేయండి. అండ్ హ్యారియర్ ఇవి అరుపులు అరిపించడానికి వచ్చేస్తుంది, అన్ని దుమ్ము లేపడానికి. వేరే కాంపిటీషన్ అసలు దీనికి సాటి లేదు, పోటీ లేదు. అంతే. ఇంకా మీరు వేరే మన క్యాప్షన్ వేయాలనుకుంటే కింద కామెంట్ సెక్షన్ వేసుకోండి.